If your body ever locks up and goes still, this tiny yarn ritual helps me melt out of my freeze mode. For me, freeze isn't panic. It's that heavy pressured feeling under my ribs. My brain gets quiet, my body feels braced, and I simply stop moving. That's when my nervous system needs warmth and rhythm and touch. But when your system freezes, even tiny things feel impossible. But yarn helps me out of it. At first, I start with a tiny movement. I pick up the yarn without forcing myself to be productive. I touch the fiber, watch the color slipping through my hands. Then I choose an easy stitch, a chain, a circle, or even a random messy piece. It doesn't matter. The goal is movement, not result. I breathe with the motion. I inhale when I loop the yarn. I exhale when pulling through. I let the rhythm build. You don't jump from freeze to flow. You go from still to micro movement to a gentle pace, and then you feel, okay, I'm a little bit back. And always remember, freeze doesn't mean you are weak. Freeze doesn't mean you are lazy. It means you are overwhelmed. And now you are trying to come back, slowly. If you're frozen too, I'm right here with you. And maybe today we both just move a little bit. Not to be productive, just to feel alive again. If this helped you, you can save it for next time when your body hits that pause button again. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.